Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 5 Nights at Freddy's on guitar easily. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to standard EAD-GBE. This foundational step is crucial for achieving the correct sound. Next, we will focus on 3 simple open chords, a minor, G major, and C major. These are common and relatively easy for beginners. Practice a basic down-up strumming pattern to develop a steady rhythm. Consistency in these initial steps will set you up for success. Now, let's dive into the main theme's chord progression. Many versions utilize a simple sequence of a minor, G major, C major, and F major. The F major chord can be played as a simplified 3-string version if the full bar chord is too challenging. Practice transitioning between these 4 chords slowly at first, aiming for smooth changes. Maintain a consistent 4-beat strumming pattern for each chord to capture the song's feel. Beyond chords, the 5 Nights at Freddy's theme has a memorable single-note melody. We will focus on playing this melody using the high E string, which is the thinnest string. Simplified tablature, or tabs, will guide your finger placement on the fretboard. For example, A1 on the tab means the first fret. Practice each note clearly and with even timing. Start slowly, then gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Consistent practice is key to mastering any song. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to playing. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and rhythm, making your playing sound much more polished. Explore online resources like YouTube for various arrangements and tutorials to expand your repertoire. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strumming patterns to make the song your own. Keep playing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.